Hello everyone. Today we're reviewing the HP 255 G10 laptop, and before you make a choice on your next computer, you absolutely need to watch this. We've done comprehensive research on this AMD Ryzen 7 powered machine, and I'll share everything you need to know. The best price is linked in the description below, so you clicked because you want to know if this laptop delivers on performance, price, and real-world usage. We'll evaluate all these key factors to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive right in and get started. The HP 255 G10 standout feature is its exceptional combination of the AMD Ryzen 7 7730U processor with 32 GB of high-bandwidth RAM. This 8-core 16-thread powerhouse operates at a 2.0 GHz base frequency and turbos up to an impressive 4.50 GHz, making it remarkably capable for both professional workloads and everyday multitasking. The massive 1TB PCIe M.2 SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times and data transfer speeds that will transform your computing experience. This laptop is specifically designed for power users, content creators, and business professionals who demand outstanding performance without breaking the bank. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with 1920x1080 resolution delivers crisp, clear visuals with anti-glare technology that reduces eye strain during extended work sessions. At 250 nits brightness and 45% NTSC color coverage, it provides adequate clarity for most indoor environments. Furthermore, the connectivity options are comprehensive and modern. You get 2 super-speed USB Type-A ports for your existing peripherals, 1 super-speed USB Type-C port for newer devices and fast data transfer, plus an HDMI port for external displays. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 6 ensures exceptional wireless speeds and reliability, while Bluetooth connectivity handles your wireless accessories seamlessly. The built-in webcam and headphone slides and microphone combo jack round out the communication features perfectly. Windows 11 Pro elevates this machine beyond typical consumer laptops. You're getting enterprise-grade security features, powerful management tools including single sign-on capabilities, and enhanced productivity through remote desktop functionality. Cortana integration provides voice-assisted productivity that can genuinely streamline your workflow. These professional features make it ideal for small business owners or corporate users who need robust security and management capabilities. The AMD Radeon integrated graphics, while not designed for heavy gaming, handle everyday graphics tasks admirably. Video streaming, photo editing, and even light video work runs smoothly. The 16 MB L3 cache works in harmony with the high-speed RAM to ensure responsive performance even when running multiple demanding applications simultaneously. Moreover, the laptop's thermal management keeps things cool and quiet during regular use. The keyboard offers comfortable typing for extended sessions, and the trackpad responds accurately to multi-touch gestures. Battery life is respectable for a performance-oriented machine, typically lasting 6–8 hours under moderate use. However, one notable downside some users may find limiting is the display's 45% NTSC color gamut coverage. While perfectly adequate for business applications and general use, creative professionals working with color-critical tasks might require a more color-accurate external monitor. Additionally, at 250 nits, the screen brightness could be challenging in very bright outdoor environments. The build quality feels solid and professional, with a durable chassis that can withstand daily transport. At this price point, the combination of high-end specifications, particularly the generous 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB SSD, represents outstanding value. Most competitors offer half the RAM and storage at similar pricing. For students, remote workers, and small business owners, this laptop delivers exceptional multitasking capabilities. Whether you're running virtual machines, working with large datasets, or simply keeping dozens of browser tabs open while video conferencing, the HP 255 G10 handles it all without breaking a sweat. You got it. So, that's it for the best value performance laptop on the market for this year. Like, comment if you are gonna buy it, or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews.